My name is Ryan Deasy, and I'm a retina specialist here at Virginia Eye Institute. I specialize in conditions such as age-related macular degeneration, diabetic eye disease, retinal detachments, macular holes, epiretinal membranes, things like that. I am a native of Ohio and did most of my education in Ohio. Went to Ohio University for college and went to medical school at Ohio State. And I stayed at Ohio State for medical school, my residency, and then I additionally stayed there for my Vitreoretinal Surgical Fellowship. After that time, I was a staff member at the Cleveland Clinic for 10 years and had the opportunity to work alongside some of the best eye doctors in the country within the field of retina. I love what I do because I really enjoy the relationships that I have with patients. I like putting them at ease. I like to get to know them. I like to joke with them and learn about their families. And it's really a privilege to be able to do this. So my day is a mixture of taking care of patients in the clinic as well as taking care of patients in the operating room. We have those days that we're taking care of things that are predicted and things that are scheduled, and then we have those patients who come in with an emergency and require treatment urgently. A wonderful thing about Virginia Eye Institute is I have world-class colleagues to share my patients with, and if somebody comes in with an emergency, it may be something that a colleague of mine is an expert in, and I know as a team we're going to make sure that that patient gets urgent and excellent care.